bestie. How are you? um, I just want to talk about what happened today. So I was just sitting there and I saw a shot, okay? अब मेरे को नहीं पता ये सब चीज़ें यूट्यूब पे क्या कर रही है, ओके? सो ये सब चीज़ें ऐसे रोमांटिक वाली चीज़ें रील्स में आ जाती, सो दैट्स लाइक थोड़ा सा रील्स अच्छा बंद हो गया. आई सॉ कि ऐसे वो ऐसे चैट्स वाले नहीं आते थे, आई टेक्सटेड दिस टू माय बॉयफ्रेंड एंड ऑल ना, तो ऐसे आया था. लाइक देखते क्या टेक्स्ट किया चिल मच रही. आई जस्ट सॉ दैट एंड उसमें था कि एक लड़की अपने बॉयफ्रेंड को टेक्स्ट कर रही है कि मैं रात को मिडल ऑफ द नाइट मेरे को वॉक करने जाना, तो मैं जा रही हूँ, बस ऐसे उसको इन्फॉर्म कर रही है. एंड देन ही इज लाइक अरे मैं भी चलता हूँ, नहीं नहीं अकेले मत जाओ. मैं अरे आई विल बी फाइन, आई एम नॉट अफ्रेड. एंड ही इज लाइक हाँ आई नो बट आई जस्ट वांट टू बी देयर फॉर यू व्हेन यू हैव मी, देन अकेले जाने की क्या जरूरत है. आई एम गोना गिव यू स्पेस इफ यू वांट. आई बी लाइक 5 steps behind you and I'll just be there for you. And he's like, you have me, you know that, right? You don't have to do anything alone now, and I want to be there for you. You're not bothering me, you're not a burden. I read that and I was in so much tears. Oh my god, for someone to just show up. मैं इतना रो रही थी उस मोमेंट पे. एंड देन मेरे को नहीं पता, अंदर आई थिंक अंदर जस्ट कुछ एक भरा हुआ था. आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड टीयरिंग अप सो मच. आई वाज जस्ट क्राइंग कॉन्स्टेंटली. एंड सामने मंदिर है मेरे घर में, सो कान्हा ऑब्वियसली वहाँ बैठे हुए हैं. आई वाज जस्ट लुकिंग एट हिम. आई वाज जस्ट कॉन्स्टेंटली लाइक क्राइंग सो मच. आई एम लाइक this is just what it takes, I'm like, Kahna, सिर्फ इतना, just someone to be, this girl is tearing up again about it. So I was just talking to Kahna and I was like, for someone to just show up for you, not anything more than that. For someone to just be there for you, it is more than enough. They don't have to do literally anything more than that. They just have to know you and just have to also let you be your own person and not try to control you कि नहीं समझ में नहीं आता कि रात को नहीं जाना चाहिए. They're like, it's okay, you want to go out. वो literally, it was like, if I don't know if I saved it, yeah, I'll see if I can get like a screenshot. And that chat literally said कि like, if you just want so he was not really trying to stop her from doing anything. He was like, if you really just want to go, obviously just go, but I just want to be there for you. I don't want you to do it alone when you have me. So he's being the man, being that protective man. And I've never had that. There are always either just going to be restrictions so that they are more comfortable. I'm not saying about obviously relationships or anything, but it was always like any masculine figure in my life, always either just trying to be very so they are either they are going to be like very restrictive कि ये मत करो वो मत करो. They are going to be controlling or bossy so that everything happens according to them and not even thinking about how I want something to be or what I want. And I feel मेरे घर में that's why the masculine energy is so much that it's sometimes just so suffocating you can't breathe. It's like no one is just flowing with life. No one is just enjoying and being happy. Like okay, आज just being spontaneous. आज ये करने का मन है. Okay, let's do this. Okay, just be chill and be happy. Always like chasing and pursuing this, pursuing that, and that is like masculine energy. And I'm like, you can't really do anything because sometimes even I just feel, I just can't sleep. So obviously, you can't just wake a father up and be like, I'm gonna go for a walk. Because मेरे घर में ऐसा होता था ना कि अगर मेरे को कभी रात को कुछ खाने को भी मंगाने का मन करे बिकॉज आई जस्ट क्रेव समथिंग, सो यू कांट ऑर्डर समथिंग बिकॉज वो मेन गेट पे आएगा देन, एंड आपको अपने बिल्डिंग से नीचे जाके मेन गेट पे आपको लेके आना है. सो वो कौन करेगा? बिकॉज घर में 12 बजे के बाद वो ऑर्डर्स आना अलाउड नहीं होता है. मेन गेट से वो छोड़ते नहीं है ना. कौन लेके आएगा? ऑब्वियसली मेरे को तो घर से बाहर निकलने देंगे नहीं वो लोग. सो लाइक, एंड दोज आर द टाइम्स व्हेन यू थिंक यार, not just being a man in anybody's life, but like any male figure in your life, if they are just being that thoughtful ki, okay, she wants this, okay, it's fine, it's not that much. But I have always like felt like doing anything or wanting even the slightest thing is like too much for other people, and I was just there crying and talking to God about all this, and I'm just like, that is what it takes, you know, being the man, being protective of her, ki, okay, she wants this and fine. It's not like someone is even asking ki, do this for me, be protective of me. We can do everything on our own. But that just made me cry. I'm like, that is just what it takes. And even that is too much for some people. And I just was like crying in front of God, and I'm like, सिर्फ इतना भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. I'm like, that उतना ही तो ख्वाहिश है. I'm like, वो भी पॉसिबल नहीं है, you know. And you know, कुछ ऐसे समझ में नहीं आता. And then, you know, God was just talking to me. Like, you just feel like you're having a conversation. And it was like, just don't think about anything or anyone. Just do what I'm asking you to do, and you will get there. You will be with the right people. You will be with the people who actually love you and who want to give to you, who want to do things for you, because you are not too much. And I have always just felt कि even इतना सा कुछ बोल देना is just too much, you know, like you are too emotional or you have too many demands, and it's not like that's true. Being who I am is okay, but just being around the wrong people, you'll always feel like you're the burden and that you're the problem and you're not understanding because they can't understand. And I was just like, I have also like had that stage in my messages when I was having that conversation with God. I was just like, I know all I have to do is trust you, God, because you will take me where I'm meant to go. Because you know, when you have had that trust in God now, where you're like, okay, take me wherever I'm meant to go. Because you know, जब वो एक स्टेज रीच हो जाता है आपके लाइफ में, आई एम सो सॉरी फॉर द नॉइज. बच्चों के खेलने की आवाज. When you have reached that stage in your life, you know, you just are like, God, just take this life because जहाँ हूँ वहाँ खुश नहीं हूँ and जिया नहीं जा रहा है. And when you have asked him that, and then he's like, if you have reached that point where you're like not okay at all, just give me your life. I'm not saying take it away. But he's like, you know, surrender yourself to me, just, and then do what I'm asking you to do, and then see what I'm gonna do with your life. And that is exactly what has happened, and I feel so blessed कि मैं यहाँ तक पहुँची. You know, the way my life has literally transformed, and just I'm gonna tear up again. This is like the biggest blessing and the biggest reminder for me that I came so far from where I was in like such a bad depression. Like I was like, it's better to just take this thing away rather than, you know, existing, because I'm not happy with where I am. And I just, you know, you're at that point where you're like, nahi chahiye kuch bhi. And then wahan se you just have to fight so much to get to this point. And I'm so glad that I did, because I have come to a point where every day I fall in love with myself. I am doing things for myself. I'm taking care of myself. I'm respecting myself. I'm prioritizing myself. I'm valuing myself. I'm choosing myself. I am being there for myself. I'm like, I didn't care. I'm like, no one is there for me. I'm gonna be there because literally, I feel like कितने लोगों से लड़ना पड़ा and कितने चीज़ों से लड़ना पड़ा just to get here. And it was so hard and so traumatizing and so many traumas to even heal. But I was like, this time I'm doing this for me. I have to because it's like this, like, now or never. And that is the point when you reach, and that is when you choose God ki nahi ab nahi hoga. And when you give your life to him ki अब आपको जो करना है. I feel so broken and मैं बिखरी हुई हूँ. You do what you want with these pieces and you're there in your hand, like यही बचा है मेरे पास, and do as you please with this. He is going to create something so beautiful and so profound. I can't even tell you. The person he has made me and जो मुझे आज के दिन कान्हा ने बनाया है, I'm like nothing. I am gonna be very honest. I'm nothing without him. आज मेरे पास अगर कुछ भी है, आई वोंट से कि मेरे पास किसी एक या दो पर्सन के कारण है. So it is not because of like that my father gave this to me, my mother did this for me, or whoever in my life played a role in my life, like they did this or that for me. I don't think honestly किसी ने भी कुछ भी किया है. I just feel कि सब कान्हा ने किया है. सब Kanha made sure that they come into my life and bless me with the things that I'm being blessed with. Because I can just remember every time I was just at that point. हम इतनी अंदर से टूट जाती थी. And मैं सिर्फ एक ही चीज बोलती थी. I'm like, Khana, what is happening? I'm like, do something. And that was literally every time when Kana was like, अब मेरा नाम ले लिया ना, now just sit back and see what I'm gonna do. And literally I'm telling you, magically everything happens. And every single experience that I've had, I know it is for a reason and it has taught me so much and it has brought me here. And every single blessing that just came, obviously I'm grateful for the people who did anything for me, but there is just this voice inside that I'm like, okay, maybe they were just a medium to do something for me, and I'm always going to be grateful for that okay. But I know ki in the end it was always Kanha who made them that medium, who was like, okay, go and do this for her because I want you to do this for her because she needs me. And Kanha was like, she's mine, I'm doing this for her. And literally जब आप अपने आप को कान्हा को दे देते हो, then कान्हा is like, you are mine now, I'll take care of you, don't worry. I didn't think I was gonna cry again, but I'm fine. I think it's really just okay to cry sometimes because he's always listening, right? And whoever people I've had in my life, whoever has entered and left my life, I'm just so grateful for it all. Because जितनी बार मैं टूटी हूँ and मैं बिखरी हूँ and I have had no one, and every time I was just so alone, and then I had no one, but I then just went to Kana and I was like, Kana, कुछ नहीं बचा है मेरे पास. And then Kana is like, कैसे कुछ नहीं बचा? You have yourself, you have me, trust me, I'll bring you to your beautiful place. Oh my god, I'm crying. And literally every damn time I just feel, मैं आज लिटरली अगर अपने आसपास देखती भी हूँ अरे मेरे को विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है, अगर मैं 4 साल पहले का भी सोचूं, मैं कॉलेज लाइफ, मेरे को नहीं लगा था कि मैं यहाँ तक आ पाऊंगी, मेरे को लिटरली नहीं लगा था. एंड राइट नाउ आई जस्ट फील सो ग्रेटफुल फॉर एवरी single thing in my life, and I'm like, now I feel like I can literally do anything because I'm like, मेरे को किसी की जरूरत नहीं है. I know I literally don't need anyone because I know I have myself and I can do it. Because जितना worst मेरे को हमेशा चीजें लगी, हमेशा कान्हा ने मुझे वो सब चीजों से निकाल के you know एक इतनी ब्यूटीफुल जगह पहुंचा दिया जो मेरे इमेजिनेशन से भी आगे थी. I'm like, मेरे को लगा ही नहीं था. And every time, even when I was with the wrong people and I was tolerating whatever toxic things were happening, and I was just tolerating it because obviously I used to hold on to things a lot. And every time Kana has removed those people from my life and I walked away, even if I didn't have anyone in my life, I was like so grateful. I was like, thank God it happened, because I treat myself way better than that. Then why was I tolerating those things? Because obviously your trauma and whatever happened in your life is not a reason to treat anyone badly. And I'm not like the kind of person who's gonna be like, oh, I treat everyone nice. Obviously, even because of my own trauma, unintentionally maybe I would have hurt a lot of people. Sometimes you don't even realize it, and I know it. And but I have always, I'm grateful that I've always been the person who have always been willing and actually did that. I have always changed myself the minute it comes to my awareness, because I also didn't know how much my anger was hurting other people as much as it was hurting me. And when I did realize it, something really, you know, hurtful happened to the person I really care about because of my anger. Because like I was just, मेरे को मेरा गुस्सा समझ में ही नहीं आता, मैं फट चुकी थी. And seeing that person hurt because of me, I was hurting so much. I was like, a bus. And then I gave it to Kahna. I'm like, ये मेरे अंदर से निकालो. And it has been like so many months now. I'm still working on myself. There are times when I still, मैं फट जाती हूँ. But every time I come back and I ask myself, अब ये क्यों हुआ? And I talk to myself, and I've come to a really great point where I'm like, I'm not gonna get angry. I have learned tricks and affirmations to keep talking to myself when I can feel that anger. And it only happens when you give yourself to God and you're like, do something, and you just believe in him कि अब वो कुछ करेंगे. And every time मेरे को जैसे कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, and I'm just there and I'm just sitting with him and talking to him for 2 minutes, and I'm just like, this is happening in my life. कुछ रास्ता दिखाओ. And honestly, within 24 hours, it's almost as if that problem doesn't even exist. And every time I have been broken, I came across this, I think it was a story someone was saying कि कभी कभी आपको टूटना पड़ता है ताकि आपको अपना फुल पोटेंशियल दिखे. And I'm just so grateful for the past 23 years of my life. Just so grateful, because each and everything, no matter how traumatizing it was, it brought me here. And मैं जितनी टूटी हूँ, I would say I know I needed it. Because मैं जितना बार टूटी हूँ गलत लोगों के साथ, because I was so traumatized कि I let myself be in those situations and be around those people. And मैं जितनी बार टूटी हूँ वो टूट के I am not, obviously I am not completely healed to forgive them completely. गुस्सा कभी कभी आता है, but I know in the end कि all those people had to break me so that I could be this person who I am today. Because अगर मैं नहीं टूटती मेरे को realize ही नहीं होता. You have to sometimes take the wrong path and be in the wrong places with the wrong people, do the wrong things to be able to see कि ये गलत है and यहाँ जाना है, to reach this point. And जैसे लगता है नहीं यार भगवान ने मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों किया, क्योंकि पहली बार तो आप सुनते नहीं हो, मेरे को पता, मैं तो नहीं सुनती. एंड समटाइम्स यू जस्ट हैव टू हैव दैट हैपन. अगर वो नहीं होगा तो ये चीज कभी बन ही नहीं पाओगे. क्योंकि अगर आपकी लाइफ में सब चीज परफेक्ट होगी, आप कभी कुछ स्ट्रगल भी नहीं करोगे, तो आपके पास ज्ञान ही क्या होगा देने के लिए, राइट? एंड आपको खुद को बताने के लिए क्या होगा? लाइफ परफेक्ट होगी तो कैसे चलेगा? कुछ ना कुछ सियप्पे होंगे, आप जाके देखा लाइक लाइफ में क्या हुआ है यार. बिकॉज आई ऑनेस्टली फील इतना सारी चीज़ें जो मेरी लाइफ में हुई है, एंड अगर मैं उनसे लाइक जितने भी चीज़ों से आज तक हील भी हुई हूँ, अगर मैं हील हो गई हूँ ना, तो उनके बारे में मैं सोच के लाइक हंसी आती है. क्या बेवकूफ लड़की थी यार. एंड ऑब्वियसली जो चीज़ों के बारे में मैं हील अब तक नहीं कर पाई, सो दैट इज लाइक स्टिल ट्रॉमाटाइजिंग टू इवन थिंक अबाउट. बट द रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आई एम लाइक सीरियसली यार खुशी. And now I just feel like I am so much better, and I'm like thankfully वो experiences मेरे लिए कितने important थे. I'm like thankfully that happened so that I am here now. And literally it all happened because I am grateful that I've always been left alone. This मेरी मासी अभी आई हुई थी. Gosh, I love her so much. Sometimes she watches my videos, so if you're watching my video, I love you, Mercy, so much. She is just such a beautiful heart, beautiful soul. I was so excited that she's gonna come here, and she came here. I thought so, ऐसे 2-3 दिन के लिए आ रही, because usually लोग उतने दिन का ट्रिप लगाते, but then she stayed for a whole week, and it felt like सिर्फ एक हफ्ते के लिए आएगा. रह जाओ. Because she's literally like a mother figure. बहुत. She just showers me with so much love. I just so grateful. So she came here, and मम्मा से ऐसे बातें जब हो रही थी, तो she was just talking to mom. She was telling my mom कि mom ने जैसे मुझे पाला है, where she has just left me to be raised on my own. मॉम ने कभी मेरे पे इतना ध्यान ही नहीं दिया when it comes to literally anything at all. मम्मा मुझे सब ऐसे भले बोल देती थी, but the way she has pampered my brother and did every single thing for him, she has not done even 1% of it for me. And मेरे को ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया, to just okay अपने करो तुम. For every single thing. मैं बचपन से लगना मैं खुद को पाल के बड़ी हूँ. And my Masi was like, you did that to her, and that was the reason कि she has become who she has today, because इतना कुछ झेलना पड़ा है, सब कुछ खुद करना पड़ा है, जिसके कारण I have taught myself how to live and how to be, and how to figure out things, and how to just live life and just become who I want to be. And जो भी struggles and मुझे जो भी चीज झेलना पड़ा, because of that I am this person now. And I was just like grateful. I'm like अगर अकेले नहीं छोड़ा होता सारी चीजों के लिए, I'm like I don't think I would have been anywhere where I am today. And मैं वैसे सोची कि यार obviously भगवान जी ने ऐसे तोड़ा जो भी अपने आप को मैंने बना लिया था, या फिर जो भी लोगों के कारण बन गया था स्ट्रक्चर में ना. And God had to literally break those things, and God had to be like, तुम ये नहीं हो, तुम ये हो. And it feels amazing. You just realize that जब मैं से रिंग लाइट पर रख के बात करती हूँ, तो then I couldn't talk to the camera, otherwise I'm always just looking at myself. I love you. I've reached to a point where I just love myself so much, and I'm like, this is all for you. This is all only for you. I saw this. मैं इस लड़के का नाम भूल जाती, मैथ्यू है क्या? I also saw this short, मेरे को उसका shorts आता रहता है, where he was just talking कि you have been given this human being at the start of your life, कि take care of this human being, and your whole life you just have to take care of this human being apart from the other people. But you forget about this human being. This is you. You also have to take care of yourself. And मैं गया, खुद का भी तो ख्याल रखना है, सिर्फ लोगों के लिए नहीं करना है. And people pleasing can, lead to those things where even though a person is so toxic, a person is so abusive, a person is, just so negative in your life, but just because they are being a victim, or you love someone so much, or you care about them, or you want to be a good person, seem like a good person, so you please that person ताकि तुम्हारा impression खराब ना हो. And it's the worst. And I am so thankfully at that point when I was talking to God and I was like, हाँ मैं अकेले ठीक हूँ, मेरे को नहीं फर्क पड़ता मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ, क्या होने वाला है. आई एम लाइक, जो हो आई एम योर्स. आपको जहाँ लेके जाना, आई एम रेडी टू गो, आई एम रेडी टू डू वट एवर. हाँ, क्या कर लिया बाल का हालत आज ही वॉश किया. आई एम लाइक, आई एम रेडी to do whatever you want me to do. I'm ready to walk on any path you want me to walk on. I just want to be happy and I just want to go where you want to take me, because I know you have thought the best for me. I don't, it's like not trust. It's not ki I don't trust anybody else, but I trust God. And I'm like, He's my creator. I know He's my father. I know. I'm like, He's gonna do everything for me. I know. And there are many times when I just feel that no one is there for me, no one is choosing me, no one is doing anything for me, no one is looking after me, or even caring about me, or even thinking about me. I'm like, at least I trust Him. I'm like, वो तो करेंगे ही. So that's why I'm always like, okay, मेरे birthday के समय भी I was on my birthday I was saying मेरे को 12 बजे celebration करना है, and everyone just abandoned me, and I'm like, then I was like, खुद को मैं ऐसा फील होने नहीं दूंगी कि I'm not worth it. So I'm like, I'm not gonna do it. And मैं बाल बोले जा रही हूँ कान्हा को, I'm like, Kanha, make your girl win today. Kanha, please. And I'm telling you, I'll link the video. Literally, everything happened magically. मेरे को नहीं पता how it was possible. I just gave it. I'm like, Kanha, आज just do it for your खुशी. मैजिकली मेरे को नहीं पता था सारी चीज़ें टाइमली अलाइन हो जाएगी, सब चीज़ें टाइमली हो जाएगी. लिटरली 12 यहाँ बज रहे, मैं गिफ्ट पैक कर रही हूँ, मैं फटाफट 12 बजे मैं कटिंग बैग. कैसे हुआ? I don't know, but it happened. And that is, the power of God. You don't have to trust anyone or anything. And at that point, you're like, डर लग रहा है, but you keep walking because you're like, sorry, कि God ने, sorry, you just know कि God has chosen this path for you. मेरा वही हो गया. I'm like, कभी भी होता मैं टूट जाती ना. I'm like, डर लग रहा है, but whatever you have in store for me, I know that is going to be way better than where I am right now. So I'm like, take me there. I don't know how it's going to happen. Take me there. Even if the mere thought of it scares the heck out of me, I'm like, take me there. Because I'm like, I want better. I want this. And show me how good it can get. When you reach that point, जहाँ you were like, कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए, बस खत्म करो, from that to you're like, just take me wherever you want me to go, because just I want something beautiful, and you're trusting God with it, and you're like telling God ki do something, make this beautiful, show me how good it can get. that is just what you needed, to give yourself to God, to just give everything to God, to give your life, to devote your life to God and be like, do something beautiful with it. And he does. And I feel just so grateful. I'm like, thank you, Kana. I've reached that point where I'm like, कोई बात नहीं, जो भी हो रहा है अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है. Even though, कभी कभी गुस्सा आ जाता है, ये हो जाता है, वो हो जाता है, I'm just pissed off. But then I'm like, it's okay. Let's see Kana ke plans kya hai. Like, what is he really trying to do? And how this is gonna turn out. Let's see. And it turns out so beautiful. Like they say ki, chaos के बाद order आता है. First it's gonna be chaotic, and then it's gonna start falling into order. Because Lord Shiva, obviously, if you're gonna ask him to give you something, first he's gonna do is destroy everything, and then he's gonna build everything from there. And even with Kanha, Makhan Chor hamare, so if you're gonna ask him for something, उन्हें मस्ती करना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. So first he's gonna steal whatever you have, and you're gonna be left with nothing, and then he's like, अब देखो मैं उस चीज़ को किस चीज़ से replace करता हूँ. So it's like very beautiful. I'm just so grateful for it. That is what I wanted to share with you today. मेरे को लगा 5-10 मिनट का वीडियो बनेगा, but ये तो I just feel like letting it out. I just feel so beautiful about this. There is someone you can trust. I'm so great about it. So yeah, it's amazing. That was it for today's video. I love you, bestie. See you in the next video. Bye.